Good morning, boys and girls. So today we are Monday and we are looking at week 4. We are going to be doing right on Reader Chapter 3. Stanley wants a day off. So let's go to page 12 through 19. So let's see right here. And it says, Stanley wants a day off. The next day, Stanley's body hurt. It even hurt to lift his spoon up to eat breakfast. Stanley started digging his second hole. He found a rock with fish fossils in it. Stanley remembered that the day off rule. When someone found a treasure, the warden liked that person could get the day off. He hoped the warden liked his treasure. Stanley showed it to his camp counselor. Stanley had to keep working. X-Ray was the leader of Tent D. After Stanley found the treasure, X-Ray asked Stanley to give him the next interesting thing he found. Stanley wanted the boys to like him. He said, "Okay" to X-Ray. Stanley was the last one to finish digging his hole again. When he got back to the camp, Mr. Pendanski was talking with all the boys. He wanted the boys to start making goals for when they left the camp. He wanted them to know they were in charge of their futures. All the boys had nicknames. They named Stanley the Caveman. He was glad they gave him a nickname. It meant the boys liked him. The next day, Stanley started digging his 14th hole. After lunch, he found something shiny in the dirt in his hole. It was a narrow gold tube about the size of his index finger. It had a heart with letters KB carved in it. Stanley didn't think Mr. Pendanski would think it was a treasure, so he gave it to X-Ray. So now, let's go ahead and look at the question. So let's talk about the story. What was it that they found? What did Stanley find that he didn't think anything of it? A gold tube. Awesome. Yes, he found a gold tube. So who did he give it to? He gave it to X-Ray. So now let's look at this question. What did Stanley find? Did he find a pencil, a rock, or a treasure? Great job. What did Stanley find? Did he find a pencil, a rock, or a treasure? Awesome, answering the question. So now that you've answered those questions, I want you to go ahead and take a picture and submit it for a grade. Once you are done, please let me know, or if you have any questions, feel free to message me or email me. Good luck.